Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn on how to turn off automatic numbered or bullet list conversions in Microsoft Word. Disabling this default behavior stops Word from unpredictably shifting your margins and forcing indentation layouts whenever you type a simple number or hyphen at the start of a line. First, look at the top left corner of the interface menu and click on File. Move to the absolute bottom of the left-hand navigation sidebar panel and select Options. A configuration window will pop up on your screen. Click on the Proofing tab located near the top of the sidebar list. Look at the top section under AutoCorrect Options and click the button labeled AutoCorrect Options on the right. A new compact utility window will open. Click on the Auto Format as You Type tab sitting in the middle of the top menu row. Locate the section header explicitly labeled Apply as You Type near the center of the Properties panel. Uncheck the box next to Automatic Bulleted Lists to kill the background symbols tracking engine. Next, uncheck the box directly underneath it, labeled Automatic Numbered Lists, to permanently drop the automatic numeric indentation rules across your layout. Click the OK button at the bottom of the AutoCorrect box, then click OK a second time on the main options pane to lock your preferences into the workspace. And that's it. Your manual list control configuration is now completely optimized and active. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.